I love working with people that really give me the free range to do whatever I want and kind of trust me to have the vision of what, of course, I want to know what they're looking for, what their wants and needs are, but they definitely left it open for me to come up with that plan. And I could tell they're extremely passionate about quality work. They were very passionate about lighting in general, not only for the aesthetic and the beautification, but also the safety and security. But they did kind of leave it up to me to come up with that plan. And you know what? They were extremely happy with the end result. And I know anytime you talk to any of our customers, anybody that works with Dayloom will tell you the same thing. We design good nights because we do things the best there is. If you want the best installers, the best fixtures and sterling lighting, which we use, the best design in the industry, on top of fantastic customer service, whether it's before or after, that is what we specialize in, because lighting is what we specialize in. This is what we do. We're not a landscaping and irrigation. Lighting is our passion. We also do audio a little bit, but lighting is our passion, and we always want to design good nights and give you a great night every night.